Hello, my name is Miguel Artuno from Mrs. Kirch's first period math analysis class, and today I will be showing you Unit J, Concepts 3 and 4, matrices. So here's the three problems. Okay, so the first step that I did, which isn't really necessary to solve a matrix, is that I did was I saw that in this equation and in this equation numbers could be divided out to simplify, and in this one I divided the whole equation by -4, and this equation by 2, and the two resulting equations are right here, and I left the top one the same because it couldn't really be divided by anything. And once I did that, I translated it over here, and I put this row, the simplified row, at the top, the third simplified row, and the second, and then the first one that wasn't simplified at the very bottom. So the next step that you have to do here is to get this part a 0. So what I did to get the 0 was I added these two rows, like the previous thing, together, so then they would cancel out. So they would cancel out this term. So what I did here was I added row 3, the original row 3, to 3 times row 2, which is just basically multiplying every number in this row by 3. And right here is the side. My work, just to make sure that I got everything right. Right there. And then once I did that, I added the two choices, or the two equations together, and I got this resulting row 3, 0, -2, -6, and 39. And the two other rows remain the same because we didn't do anything to them. Okay, so once you've gotten that, you move on to the next one. And the next one, you need to make sure that you get a 0 in the second row in this part. So what I did was, to get it again, was added this row to the row on top of it, and it looks like this. I added row 2, the original row 2, and subtracted it by this row 1, the original row 1, and the side work is to make sure that everything's okay, and it's right here. So once I added these, I got this, and as you notice, this whole part right here is zeros, and this is 11. And what this basically says is that this term, which is 0, equals 11, which isn't true because, a 0 can't equal 11. So once we got that, there's a sign that it will have no solution. So as a result, it ends as an inconsistent. And since we found it out in the third matrix, we don't have to move on, and that's basically it. The end of the problem. It ended as an inconsistent because 0 can't equal 11, and so if it has no solution, and therefore we can't find the whole solution of the matrix. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.